Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan tres leches cake. We'll start by gathering our plant-based ingredients, then move on to baking a fluffy, dairy-free sponge. Next, I'll show you how to create a rich 3-milk soak using coconut, almond, and condensed coconut milks. Finally, we'll top it all off with a light, airy vegan whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Get ready to enjoy a truly decadent dessert that's completely free of animal products. First, let's bake our cake. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Combine these dry ingredients, then add 1 cup of plant-based milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until just combined, pour into a 9 by 13-inch pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, until golden. This ensures a light, airy base for our delicious soak. Now for the star of the show, our vegan tres leches soak. In a bowl, whisk together 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 10-ounce can of vegan condensed milk. Once your cake has cooled slightly, use a fork or skewer to poke holes all over its surface. Slowly and evenly pour the entire milk mixture over the cake, allowing it to fully absorb. This step is crucial for that signature moist texture. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. For the topping, whip 1 13.5-ounce can of chilled full-fat coconut cream with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until light and fluffy. Spread this generous layer over your fully soaked cake. Garnish with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon or fresh berries. Chill the cake for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to meld and set perfectly. Enjoy your incredible vegan tres leches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.